friends, welcome to my channel Hunger the Healthy Hunt. Happy Valentine's Day. Today let me show you how to do a beautiful handmade rose card for your loved ones. Shall we start? Materials required are 3 different color papers for making 3 roses and 2 green papers for leaves, 1 red glitter sheet, 1 golden glittered sheet, 1 red chart of size 14 x 7 cm, golden ribbon, 1 stick, glue, scissors, pencil, compass and scale. Using compass, draw a circle of the paper's width and then you can draw different circles of difference 2 cm. Then you have to mark it like this. Cut as shown. Take half a sheet of green paper and roll it along the stick. And we are going to place the rose as I show. Now to make leaf, take a green paper of size 10 x 8 cm and fold it into 3. Again fold it into half and draw a leaf and cut it. Now yellow rose is ready. Similarly do it for orange and red. Take a red chart of size 14 x 7 cm, fold it into half, draw a heart shape and cut it and paste the glitter sheet on the top and yellow golden sheet should be I love you, cut the letters and we are going to paste it inside. Beautiful rose card is ready. Try this at your home and gift it to your Valentine. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on all videos. Thank you.